Hello, I'm a barn owl. I'm one of the best hunters in the world. You likely know, my food eats your food. Gophers, voles, and other pests live to consume or destroy your crops and are getting fat at your expense. But not if I get to them first, which you can make possible. Creating safe habitats for barn owls makes you a terrific partner for everyone, except for those pests on our menu. Consider an owl barn from myowlbox.com. An owl barn is the kind of home I like, designed for me. Expertly constructed and easy to maintain, it's a perfect place to watch over fields and help remove invaders. I'm like a sentry, working while you sleep soundly. An owl barn also helps save your hard-earned resources. By reducing pesticides, farmers report lower costs and feel better about what they put in and on the soil. After the initial installation of an owl barn, my male partner will work for free, never take a vacation, and never call in sick. And when all goes as nature planned, we'll make more sentries because you're providing a safe place for our family. The owl barn is ideal for farmers and barn owls, and a good idea for wildlife enthusiasts, good stewards, and anyone who cares about better ways to do good things. If you're positive one would work on your property, order one or more today, or chat with our experts who can determine if an owl barn is right for you. And if you live someplace where barn owls don't live, you can still help. Join our family by sponsoring an owl barn. Our team will install a nest in your name and report back to you every so often. Let's start your owl barn conservation adventure today at myowlbox.com.